Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use auto-clicker on your iPhone. So first of all, go to settings. After that, you need to go to accessibility and then go to switch control here. After that, go click on switches and then click on screen. After that, on full screen and then click on tab here and then click on add the new switch and again add the new switch, click on it. After that, click on recipes and then launch a recipe here and name it, for example, auto clicker here, and then click on assign switch. After that, click on full screen and then click on custom gesture and choose where the clicks will be automated on your screen. After that, go back, then click on launch recipe and then choose auto clicker here. After that, go to the menu and to accessibility and then click on switch control. And then just triple click the side button to toggle accessibility features on and off. Okay, and then it's on. Okay, thank you guys and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.